Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. Today I got a classic video for y'all. Highly recommend it. I've been getting a lot of emails. People have been asking me, can I do a video on personal loans, pre-qualifications that they'll be able to do? Everybody liked the video when I did 20 credit cards, pre-qualifications, and people were sending me emails, can you do personal loans the same way? Well, I won't give you 20 today. I'll give you 10 today, but I got the ebook coming for the credit cards, personal loans, business lines of credit, and so much more that's going to cover all these pre-qualification products that you can apply for. So today we're going to start off with number one is US Alliance, a great bank that's been around for a while, based out of New Jersey, and you could get up to a $50,000 personal loan. So if you interested in, go right here, get pre-qualified. Just to let you know, they will be pulling Experian, and you should have at least a 630 credit score or more if you're even considering it. Let's move on to number two. Number two is Best Egg. Now, Best Egg is another popular one. You can have about a 630 credit score or more. They will be looking at Experian, and they do go up to, as you see right here, $50,000. Another great company. For those that might not have excellent credit, these is going to be all personal loans for you, right? So that's number two. Number three is American Express. You could get funded. If you are in the American Express family, this is very easy to get this loan. You can have a little of $650 and get approved for this, and they will be looking at, again, it will be a soft pull, but they'll be looking at Experian to get your approval. So you can go ahead and do your research on that. Number four is Prosper. Now, Prosper is another, I say, mid-tier personal loans you could get. As long as you got about a 630 credit score and high, they will be looking at your Experian. So again, do your homework. Make sure you got your documentations together. I got breakdowns on each of these products that you can go back on that I've been making for over 3 years since I've been having my YouTube channel, right? So let's go to number five is Discover. If you have a relationship with Discover, you could get a personal loan up to $40,000. From my database and personal people, I actually helped get this loan, about 3 people, and it goes up to $40,000. You need to have at least a 650 credit score or more if you're even considering thinking about applying for this personal loan. But if you got a credit card, you are automatically in the door. It just comes down to what is that credit score. Make sure you don't got no collections, no late payments, and things like that, right? So that will be Experian. Let's move on to number 6 is Upstart. Now, Upstart is a personal loan that I personally had about when I was on my journey of fixing my personal credit. A little over 6 years, I think I got Upstart. I got a loan, I think it was about $25,000, and my personal credit score at the time was about a 665, and I got $25,000. They will be looking at TransUnion, and they do go up to $50,000, and you could check your rate right there. And again, you could go back on these old videos. I break down each of these companies and tell you what kind of documentations that you need. Let's move on. Number 7, Lending Club. Now, Lending Club been around for a while too. This one, I gotta be honest and straight up with you. If you considering even applying for Lending Club, you should have at least a 675 or more. They're a little tough on the credit score. They will be looking at TransUnion. Obviously, they go up to $40,000, and they will be asking about those documentations you will have to provide, pay stubs and stuff like that. I would say out of all these that I'm showing you, this is probably one of the toughest ones to get approved for, but you can get approved for it, right? Let's move on to number 8, OneMain Financial, another company. When I was in the beginning of my journey, I got approved. They gave me a $15,000 loan. Again, they're going to be asking for, pay stubs and small things like that. They don't get too much in depth or asking for too much documentations, but they definitely want to see some pay stubs and stuff like that. And you can check your offer right here. And again, they will be looking at TransUnion, right? Let's move on to number 9, Upgrade. Upgrade, another company. I recently helped somebody get a $20,000 personal loan with them. They actually did the soft pull through TransUnion, but again, once you accept the offer and you move forward, it will be a hard inquiry on any of these. Let's make that clear, because a lot of people think just because it's a pre-qualification soft pull that you're not going to get a hard inquiry. No, once you are approved and they about to give you that money, you will get a hard inquiry. Again, upgrades another one that they're going to ask for, you know, job verification, pay stubs and things like that. So person I helped, it wasn't difficult to get. I think they had about a 650 credit score, and they got that. But again, you got to have the profile looking good. It's not all about the score, it's about what you got reporting on that credit report. So again, that is number 9. You could get that one. They will be looking at TransUnion. Let's move on to number 10. Now, this one I want to speak to you about. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Now, if you have a credit card like I I have on the personal and the business, I could go in there and I could apply and get a pre-qualification personal loan. But for new people, you will not be able to apply for any of the personal loans. You won't get that option. It actually, if you look up here and you go through everything, you won't get the option. But if you are a member in whatever form, credit cards, personal or business, you could apply for the personal loan right on, you know, once you log in, you know, on the site and stuff like that. You'll have the option to apply for the personal loan. But for new people, they're not accepting it. You won't even be able to find it. So these are 10 pre-qualification personal loans that you could get approved with today. I want to see y'all win. I want y'all to get to that next level. Ebook is still on the website at whoiskingshawn.com. If you would like a one-on-one with me, let's lock in. Let me help you on the personal side and the business side to scale you up to that next level. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.